Row booth just because they do such a great job on the content for their booth, right? And again, look at the top there. That ROE there stands right above. See that? See the content they built up there, contrast into here. Now, here's another usage that you have not seen. You can walk on some LEDs. Cool?
Yeah.
Yeah. So don't think of LED as just being something you can put on a wall. No, not at all. You can actually build it into a floor. So what if this was the future of flooring? What if you looked in the future and you're like, oh, look at that digital sign, the content that we did. Are your mind blown yet? Mine's blown?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Cool.
So this is not actually all that complicated, though. If you think about it, this is just another layout inside SAM. Really, that's all it is. Okay. Now, you know that what's going to happen here really quick with the work that you're doing with artificial intelligence too, right? You're going to be able to tell artificial intelligence pretty quickly, hey, I'd like to have a stark black backdrop with a blue fade effect with bubbles going across the screen. Can you give me a 3-minute MP4 output and make sure it has a little bit of green in it as well? This is going to be produced by AI. Okay?
Yep.
And you're going to be the guys to manage this kind of stuff as a network operations center because customers love this. They don't want to learn how to do what we do they? No. Wow, look at that content throw. Now you understand why these guys are the guys on the back end of the major big events. Notice there's no frame rate drop. Everything's seamless. This looks just absolute picture perfect. It's that attention to detail that differentiates the okay, the good from the world class. It's that attention to detail. Got it?
Yep.
So anyhow, that's the booth with Row. This is how mind-blowing some of this content is and where we're headed with digital signage in the future. Okay, I stop walking on top of that. I'll see you later, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. Cheers.